Hi, I'm Teddy Burris. I'm a Google Workspace and Gmail strategist. And often I get asked some pretty important questions that seem like pretty simple to me. But I know that they're important to the person who asked. The question I'm going to answer in this video is, how do I get into my account? Now, by the way, this from Satire. All the other videos I produce are helping people learn Google Workplace and Gmail. Hit that subscribe button. I got a lot more really good videos coming out that I know will help you. But let's talk about this one for a minute. How do I get into my account? The person, actually I got asked this question 10 times. These people didn't tell me what account. They didn't even tag the category for, the type of account. They just said, how do I get into my account? So I'm going to answer the question. Number one, you need a device. You either need a laptop, a computer, a tablet, a cell phone, or something. And then that thing has to be hooked up to the internet, which means you have to have an internet connection. Now, in order to be hooked up to the internet, you either have to use Wi-Fi or you have to use a cable. But somehow or another, your device has to be connected to the internet. Can't help you with that. I'm just telling you, you got to have that. Now, on your device, tablet, computer, laptop, cell phone, whatever it is, you need a web browser. Either a web browser or an app. One of those two. Web browser, which is like a Chrome, a Firefox, an Internet Explorer, a Safari, one of those things. Or an app. Okay? Now, from the app or from the web browser, you're going to have to type in what's called the address bar to go to the place that has your account. Now, I don't know if you're trying to get into Tinder or Bumble, Apple, Wells Fargo, LinkedIn. I don't know where you're trying to go, but you got to go to that, and you type in the address, whatever it is, and up will come the login screen. Now, once you get to the login screen, here's what you got to do. Now, this could be really hard work for some people, but I really want to help you. You figure out how you want to log in. Maybe they want you to log in with a phone number. I mean, this is what I really like. Tinder's really good. Trouble logging in, little boy? Click right here. Okay? Bumble's got, and they're right up front. Make the first move. You either get in, join, which means create an account, or you sign in. So you can get to your Bumble stuff. So if I click on sign in, then it goes, you want to use your Apple login, your Facebook, or your cell phone number. So you can hide it from your girlfriend or your wife. So once you figure out how you want to log in, then you start typing that information. And then if you're having problems, you can come down here and say, I forgot my ID, Apple. I don't remember my password. Or Wells Fargo says, forgot your password and username, you can ask for help. And you ask for help to the people who have your account, not to people on Quora who don't even know you or know where you're trying to log in. But anyway, you get to this point, you type in your email address, your phone number, your user ID, and then you type in your password. You got to remember your password, and hopefully your password is written down on one of those sticky notes on your monitor or on your desk. If not, you're gonna have to click that button and say, I forgot my password. Now, this is the best I can do to help you. You got to have a device. You got to have a web browser. You got to hook up to the internet by Wi-Fi or cable. And you got to, by the way, you need a mouse and a keyboard. So if you're using a laptop or a desktop, you need a mouse or a keyboard or a trackpad. And then you go to the place that has your account. You don't come to Quora. We can't help you. This is the best I can do to help you. I wish you all the best. And once you figure out how to log into one account, I bet you're going to know what you need to do to log into another account. Good luck.